saga feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas trying to talk in the strip club.
You ever had someone try to have your last piece of chicken? They just ask for it out of the blue. Like you're about to dive into the last chicken wing and they say, can I have that? So I'm at home chilling when one of my boys comes over. We go downstairs and we start a game of 2K. And we go down, put the disc in the PS3 and start playing. 5 minutes into the game he asks, do you have any chips or some soda or something like that? Look into the pantry. There's nothing in there. So I'm just like, you know what? Let's just run down to the convenience store, grab some chips and come back. We go down to the convenience store. This is what amazes me. I open my chip bag and there's like 3 chips in the bitch. I'm wondering, are chip bags now just air, like just basically giant balloons and that's it? Like I remember back in the day I would get chip bags with the whole thing. Now like only 15% of it is full. Like with the Lay's, the Doritos, the like Cheetos, every chip bag brand is like that now. All the chip bags are completely empty, they're unsatisfying, and some of the chips are just disgusting now. Like, what happened to my chips? Honestly, I like junk food as much as the next person. Yeah, I know it's unhealthy, whatever. Point of it is, I want my chips, okay? I'm sending this out to every single person that has had this problem. When you go to open a chip bag and you just feel that blast of air, just pure air. You look down and there's like 3 chips in there, okay? 3 chips. I'm tired of actually buying chips. Like, chips are expensive. I know they're junk food and everything, but they're expensive sometimes. And for me to only have 15% of what I actually paid for, kind of makes me think, nah. Okay, thanks guys for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I will come back with another video hopefully next week, or even sooner, you never know. Thanks guys, and remember,
P.O.P. all the time.